Hello everybody. I'm really happy to start my cooking again, and I'm really happy to share my recipes again with you guys. So I'm gonna make a very basic salad today, and we'll start from there. And after that we can do much more difficult and much more hard dishes in future. So today I'm gonna make Thai seafood salad. And I got this recipe from the net, and I just want to try. This is ideal salad for dinner. So if you guys feel something light and something healthy, yes, this is one of great recipes that you can try. So especially I want to tell you today, Cook with Chef Duminder is an iconic Facebook page, and we love to share all my recipes with everybody in the world. And I'm really glad to start my cooking again after the lockdown, and it's gonna be amazing time for me. And so I want to share my recipes one by one with you guys, and especially today I'm using one of very easy and low costed recipe. Make sure I bought all these items from Woolies, and I spent like $35. I'm sure definitely from that amount you can have two. That means you can split the bill in $35 into two. That means somewhere like uh, $15.5 per meal for dinner. It's quite reasonable and absolutely gorgeous to have in your dinner table. And it's gonna be a really healthy salad. I want you guys to try, and it's very easy. 20 minutes, it's on the table, and that's it. So I chopped some onions, and there are two cloves of garlic, thinly sliced, and I have beautiful cherry tomatoes here for my salad. I want to give a little bit of spicy, and you know very well Thai food is always a little bit spicy. Here there are sprig of parsley, which I'm gonna mix with my salad. You can see sprigs of mint also gonna be mixed up. Don't forget, this is gonna be a very healthy salad, and peanuts are there. I just want to mix with my salad and get a little bit of crunchy and crispy uh, texture into my food. This is my vermicelli. This is what I'm gonna cook now. I'm not cooking, I'm just gonna mix with hot water. In 2 minutes it's gonna be ready. So if you're gonna cook in the fire, if you're gonna cook in a pan, definitely it's gonna be overcooked and it's gonna be mashy. So I don't want to get in there. So I'm just gonna mix with hot water, maybe couple of minutes. That's it. Guys, my water is boiling, and I'm gonna off the fire. And after that, I'm gonna mix my rice vermicelli in there and just keep 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. All good, boys. Gonna put the vermicelli. Yeah, that's right. It's gonna be a mini. This is my cooked glass noodles. What I did in here, just 2 minutes in hot water and rinse again with cold ice water. Otherwise, it's gonna be overcooked and your whole salad gonna be mashy. So, and I'm gonna make the mixture now, the seafood mixture. I'm gonna saute that in my wok pan. So guys, this is the most important part. I'm gonna cook my seafood. So I bought some marinara mix from Woolies. I bought 200 grams and a little bit of giant prawns, three giant prawns. Marinara mix now. So you can see that. Wow. can see some mussels and calamari and basa fish as well, and prawns. So I almost cooked like 2 minutes. I think that's more than enough. But the thing, after you cook, you should allow to cool, or you can put in the fridge if you want, like 10 to 15 minutes. Just so I use the same pan, and I already blanch my garlic in here just for 2 minutes, but just very slow fire. Now I'm gonna make my dressing by using this same liquid. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce into my liquid, like that. Make sure, guys, if you put fish sauce, you have to be very careful with your salt, right? That, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So at this point, I already did all my mise en place. So this is chill glass noodles and the prawns. I'm having the sauce here, which I show you a few minutes ago, and in here all my salad mise en places: tomato, chopped onion, and peanut, and all the chili in here, and mint and parsley. So these are the things that I'm gonna use. So this is a easy salad. I'm sure you guys can do it and try and let me know how it is. First of all, I'm gonna put my sauce because it's give a little bit of wet texture, moisture. So then it's very easy. So just mix the salad like this, just a noodle like that. So I'm gonna put my prawns and seafood mixture in here. And then tomatoes and chopped onions, a little bit of mint, and some parsley as well with the chilies, especially with the chilies. Right? I think I want to put a little bit more dressing. See how easy. This is the one of best salad recipes what I have done today, and recipe is easy and quick and ideal for dinner. So guys, see you with another video next week, and I'm gonna upload one cooking video every week. Guys, if you're happy, you can go to my YouTube channel UDTV and subscribe. You can get a travel segment, food review, recipes, and plenty of many more things in my YouTube channel. And thank you very much. Stay tuned and let's see you next week. Bye bye.